For this recipe, we need garlic, salt, onion powder, black pepper, basil, paprika, coconut oil, almond flour, and chicken thighs. Start by putting coconut oil in the casserole dishes and put them in the oven to melt the oil. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Next, put the almond flour in a medium bowl. I use 3 cups, but you may need more or less, depending on how many thighs you are cooking. Next, add the garlic, salt, paprika, pepper, and basil to taste. I usually use 1 tablespoon or so. Now mix it all together. Next, crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them. Now take the casserole dishes out of the oven, jet the chicken in the eggs and then the breading to coat it. Then put it in the casserole dish. Repeat the process until all the thighs are in the casserole dishes. Now the chickens go in the oven for 1 hour. Flip the chicken halfway through. While you're waiting for the chicken, husk the corn and put it in the pot. Bring the corn to a boil and then put the lid on and turn it off. After 10 minutes, the corn is done. When the chicken is done, take it out of the oven. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Remember to share.